Real good look here. So if you take a look, you can see the silver fox. He'll crawl right down in there and he'll just tinker around and see what he can take out and take back to his nest. So, this one seems pretty tame. I'm gonna see if I can't, you know, grab hold of him. So, let's just see what happens. Hello there, big fella. All right. Yeah, see? They're pretty docile, but you never want to get too close. Sometimes they'll, you know, they get a bit, yeah, a bit snappy. It's a bit dodgy. Give him a little pat here. Hey. Good job, fella. That's a good one there. So, I think we're just gonna, you know, leave him alone, and maybe he'll keep coming around.